What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday. Got some exciting news. I am now a partner through Amazon, so I'm affiliate. So if you click on any of these links below, it helps the channel out greatly. So reason why I did this is I want you guys to have my whole tool chest, everything I bring to every job. So basically what I've done is I've broken it down. I got my pack outs, I got my power tools, I got different pouches and hand tools, that kind of thing. So if you guys are wondering what I use and how to find that, it's going to be in the description of this video. And like I said, the reason why I did this is I get a lot of people watching my tool videos and reviews and things like that, and I'll get people asking, hey, what's the link to this or that? So what I've done is I've put that in the description below, so you can just click on that and you'll be able to immediately purchase those items. Again, this does greatly help the channel out. I do appreciate you guys, appreciate you watching. If you have questions, put them below as well, and we'll see you on the next one.